Landing a new client? Adding them correctly in FreshBooks from the start sets up smooth invoicing, communication, and project tracking. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Go to the Clients section and click Add a Client. Fill in their basic contact information. In the More settings, you can add crucial details, their currency, payment terms, net 15, net 30, and default tax rate. You can also add notes about the project or key contacts. The more info here, the smoother future interactions will be. My crucial pro tip? Collect all key details during onboarding. Use a client intake form to get their full legal name, billing address, email for invoicing, and preferred payment method before you add them. Entering it all at once prevents hiccups when sending that first, crucial invoice. What's one piece of client info you wish you always collected up front? For more guides on business foundations, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.